Hi students, welcome to Kribai Tuition Center. Now we will see exercise number 5.4. First sum. Find the slope of the following straight lines. So they have given you the equation of the line 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. So now here the x value is 0. So the general equation of the line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Write in this form 0x plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. So slope m is equal to minus a by b minus 0 by 5. 0 by 5 is 0. So the slope m is equal to 0. Next. Second part of the question. 7x minus 3 by 17 is equal to 0. So now here minus 7 by 0. So anything divided by 0 is infinity, undefined. Here the slope m is equal to undefined. Now second sum. Find the slope of the line which is parallel to y is equal to 0.7x minus 11. So you need to find the slope of the line which is parallel to this line. So you will find slope m1, and what is the parallel condition? m1 is equal to m2, and you will find the slope of this line. First, y is equal to 0.7x minus 11. This is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. So on comparing you will get m is equal to 0.7. So this slope is 0.7. Therefore m2 is equal to 0.7. Second part of the question. Perpendicular to the line x is equal to minus 11. So you need to find the slope of the line which is perpendicular to this line having equation x is equal to minus 11. Now what is the slope of this equation? Undefined. So since m1 is equal to undefined, m2 is also equal to undefined. Third question. Check whether the given lines are parallel or perpendicular. So they are giving you the equation of two lines. You need to check whether they are parallel or perpendicular. So what is the condition for parallel? m1 is equal to m2. The condition for perpendicular is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So we are going to for now find m1 and m2 and compare those two things. Now take this first equation. X by 3 plus y by 4 plus 1 by 7 is equal to 0. So now m1 is equal to minus a by b. Now here a is 1 by 3, b is 1 by 4. Minus 4 by 3. Now find m2. Same minus a by b. Minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 2. You can see m1 is equal to m2. Therefore the lines are parallel. Second part of the question, they have given you two equations. Now find out m1 is equal to minus a by b minus 5 by 23. Now m2 minus 23 by minus 5, which is equal to 23 by 5. Now we can see m1 into m2 minus 5 by 23 into 23 by 5, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the two lines are perpendicular. Fourth question. If the straight lines 12y is equal to minus p plus 3 into x plus 12, 12x minus 7y is equal to 16 are perpendicular, then find p. So they are saying that these two lines are perpendicular and they are asking you for the value of p. Now find the slope of this line. Now bring it to the form y is equal to mx plus c. So you will get y is equal to minus of p plus 3 by 12 into x plus 12 by 12. This is nothing but 1. So here m1 is equal to minus of p plus 3 by 12. Now find the slope of the next line, perpendicular line. Slope m is equal to minus a by b. So m2 is equal to 12 by 7. Now since these two lines are perpendicular, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So minus of p plus 3 by 12 into 12 by 7 is equal to minus 1. 12 and 12 gets cancelled. So minus of plus 3 by 1. Cross multiply. Minus 3 is equal to minus 7. Plus 3. When this minus 3 goes to the side, plus 3. So p is equal to 4. The value of p is 4. Next, fifth sum. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point P minus 5, 2 and parallel to the line joining the points Q3, minus 2 and R minus 5, 4. So you need to find the equation of the straight line passing through minus 5, 2. So to find the equation, you have passing through point. Now you need slope. You will find the slope of this line. You will equate it because these two lines are parallel. m1 is equal to m2. Now using point slope form, you will find the equation of the required straight line. And 2 points are given. The slope formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now substitute the values. So here the slope is minus 3 by 4. Therefore m2 is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now you have slope and 1 point. And and the passing through point is minus 5, 2. So the point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute the values. Minus of minus. First term with the first term with the second term. Bring this to the left side. Square y. 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 is the equation of the required straight line. Next, sixth sum. Find the equation of a line passing through 6, minus 2 and perpendicular to the line joining the points 6, 7 and 2, minus 3. Now you need to find the equation of this line. So you will find the slope here, m1. You will use the perpendicular condition m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 and find m2. You will have slope and 1 point, and using point slope form you will find the equation. Now find slope m1. Now so you have got m1 is equal to 5 by 2 and m2 is equal to minus 2 by 5. Now you have slope minus 2 by 5 and passing through the point 6, minus 2. The majority of mistakes done here is you will forget to find the perpendicular slope. So it is better for you to draw a diagram, a rough diagram, and then proceed on with the sum to avoid the mistakes. Now what is point slope form? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Cross multiply. Bring this to the left side. X plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0 is the equation of the required straight line. Next, seventh sum. A minus 3, 0, B 10, minus 2, C 12, 3 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Find the equation of the altitude through A and B. So you need to find the equation of the altitude through A and B. Altitudes and medians we have already discussed in detail. I have given you the link in the description box. You can go and check over that. Now, first to find the altitude, you need to find the slope of BC. Then you will find the perpendicular slope. This slope and passing through point, you will use the point slope form to find the equation of the altitude through A. Similarly, you will find the equation of the altitude through B. Now let us proceed on with the sum. So slope and 2 points are given, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now we have found slope of BC. Now slope of altitude through A. That is nothing but the perpendicular slope. So condition is m1 into m2 is equal to -1. So m2 is equal to -2/5. So this equation is having slope -2/5. Now you have slope -2/5 and passing through the point 3, 0. So the point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute the values. Bring this to the left side. So 2x plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0 is the equation of the altitude through A. Similarly, we are going to find the equation 2. We are going to find slope of AC first. Now perpendicular slope. Slope of altitude through B. m2 is equal to -5. So here, so you have slope m is equal to -5 and passing through the point 10, -2, B point. Now equation of the altitude is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Bring this to the left side. Now 5x plus y minus 48 is equal to 0 is the equation of the altitude through B. Next we will see 8th sum. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points A minus 4, 2, B 6, minus 4. So they are asking you to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. Now what is perpendicular bisector? Bisect means equally sectioning. That is, the perpendicular line that splits the line AB into two equal halves is called as the perpendicular bisector. Now in lower classes they would have asked you to find the to draw the perpendicular bisector. What you would have done? You would have take more than half of the radius, cut an arc here and cut an arc here. Without changing the radius, keep it on B, cut an arc here, cut an arc here. Join the line, you will get a perpendicular bisector. So the same thing we are going to use here. Since this is a perpendicular bisector, you are going to find midpoint of AB. So you will get midpoint. Then you will find slope of AB and find perpendicular slope. You will get slope of the perpendicular bisector. Now using point slope form, We are going to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. Now let us proceed on. Slope of AB. Now perpendicular slope. So the slope of the perpendicular bisector is 5/3. Now we are going to find the passing through point. The passing through the point is midpoint of AB. What is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Substitute the values. So the passing through the point is 1 comma minus 1. So you have the passing through point 1 comma minus 1 and the slope 5 comma 3. Now use the point slope form. Minus 5 is equal to m into x minus x1. Bring this to the right side. 5x minus 3y minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 0. So 5x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 is the equation of the perpendicular bisector. Next, ninth sum. Find the equation of a straight line through the intersection of the lines 7x plus 3y is equal to 10, comma 5x minus 4y is equal to 1, and parallel to the line 13x plus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. So now these are the conditions given and I have drawn a rough diagram. Now you need to find the equation of this straight line. Now what you are going to do is you are going to find the point of intersection. By solving these two equations you will find the point of intersection. You will get 1 point. You will find the slope here m1. Since these two lines are parallel, m1 is equal to m2. So you will get a slope here. Now using this slope and this 1 point, you will find the equation of the required straight line. Now let us proceed. First find the point of intersection. Now x point is 1. in we have got 1, 1. 1, 1 is the point of intersection of these two lines. Now, you will find the slope m1. This equation is given. So, slope m is equal to minus a by b. So, minus 13 by 5. Now, since these two lines are parallel, m1 is equal to, m2 is equal to minus 13 by 5. So, here m2 is equal to minus 13 by 5. Now, we have got passing through the point 1, 1 and slope m is equal to minus 13 by 5. Now, using point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute the values. Y minus 1 is equal to minus 13 by 5 into x minus 1. Cross multiply. 5y minus 5 is equal to minus 13x minus minus plus 13. Now bring this to the left side. 13x plus 5y minus 5 minus 13 is equal to 0. So 13x plus 5y minus 18 is equal to 0. So 13x plus 5y minus 18 is equal to 0 is the equation of the required straight line. Next, 10th sum. Find the equation of a straight line through the intersection of the lines 5x minus 6y is equal to 2, 3x plus 2y is equal to 10 and perpendicular to the line 4x minus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. So now they are asking you to find the equation of this line. Similar to the previous sum, you will find the point of intersection, then you will find slope here, you will find perpendicular slope m2, and with this slope and this point you will use point slope form to find the equation of the line perpendicular to this line. Let us proceed with the sum. Now find the point of intersection. I am multiplying equation 2 by 3. So 9x plus 3 2s are 6y is equal to 10 3s are 30. 14x is equal to 30. X is equal to 16 by 7. So now we have got the x coordinate 16 by 7. Now we will find the y coordinate. Instead of substituting, I am going to again solve the equation and find out. So now I am going to cancel x. So I will multiply this equation by 5 and this equation by 3. 6 3s are 18, y is equal to 2 3s are 6. Changing sign, cancel this, minus minus plus. Now 14 2s are 28. Y is equal to 2. So I have got y value 2. Please make a small correction over here. Y value is not 2. So 28y is equal to 50 minus 6, which is 44, and the greater number sign is minus. Here plus minus will be minus, so 50 minus 6 is minus 44. So y is equal to minus 44 divided by minus 28. 22 by 2 are 2, 2 4s. Okay. 2 11s are 22, 2 7s are 14. So the value of y is 11 by 7. It's not 2, it is 11 by 7. So you have got the point of intersection 16 by 7, 11 by 7. Now you will find the slope of this equation. Minus a by b, 4 by 7. Now you will find the perpendicular slope. So you have got the slope of this equation, m2 is equal to minus 7 by 4. Now the point of intersection is 16 by 7, 11 by 7, and the slope m is minus 7 by 4. Now use the point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 11 by 7 is equal to minus 7 by 4 into x minus 16 by 7. Cross multiply 4 into 7y minus 11 is equal to 7 to 7x minus 16. Bring this to the left side. (49x plus 28y minus 156 is equal to 0) is the equation of the required straight line. Next, 11th sum. Find the equation of a straight line joining the point of intersection of 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 to the point of intersection of 7x minus 3y is equal to minus 12 and 2y is equal to x plus 3. So now you need to find the equation of this straight line. So what you will do? First you will solve these two linear equations and find the point of intersection. Then you will solve these two equations and you will find the point of intersection. Using 2-point form, you will find the equation of the required straight line. Let us proceed. First you will find the point of intersection. I am multiplying the first equation by 2. X is equal to 0. Now substitute x is equal to 0 into so y is equal to minus 2. So the first point of intersection is 0 comma minus 2. Next, the point of intersection 2. We are going to solve these two equations. 12 x minus 2 is equal to minus 3. I am taking this 2y this side and this 3 this side. Multiplying second equation by 7. Change the sign, cancel x part, plus minus minus, so 14 minus 3 is 11 y, 21 minus 12, greater number sign is plus, y is equal to 9 by 11. You have got 9 by 11. Now substitute that in this equation. Into 80. So you get minus 15 by 11. So you have the second point of intersection as minus 15 by 11 comma 9 by 11, and the first point of intersection is 0 comma minus 2. Now we have got 2 points, and using 2-point form we are going to find the equation of the line. Equation of the line passing through 2 points is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now substitute the values. Y minus 2 divided by x1 0. Take this 11 to the top. This 11 and this 11 gets cancelled. 31x plus 15y. Okay, we are taking this to this side. So minus 30 becomes plus 30. So 31x plus 15y plus 30 is equal to 0 is the equation of the required line. Next, 12th sum. Find the equation of the straight line through the point of intersection of the lines 8x plus 3y is equal to 18, 4x plus 5y is equal to 9, and bisecting the line segment joining the points 5, minus 4 and minus 7, 6. So, we need to find the equation of this line. It is passing through the intersection of these 2 points. So, you will solve these 2 linear equations and you will find the point of intersection. Then this line is bisecting this line. Bisecting means splitting into 2 equal halves. So you will find the midpoint of this line. You will get 1 point. Using the 2-point form, you can find the equation of this line. Now let us proceed. First, find the point of intersection. First point. Multiplying the whole equation by 2. Changing sign. You will get minus 7y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. So here y is equal to 0. Now substitute y is equal to 0 in any one equation. Therefore x is equal to 9, x is equal to 9 by 4. So the x point is 9 by 4. Now bisecting these 2 points. So splitting into 2 equal halves. So this will be the midpoint. Find the midpoint of these 2 points. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Which is equal to minus 1, 1. So this point is minus 1, 1. Now you have 2 points. 9 by 4, 0, minus 1. Now you need to find the equation of the line passing through these 2 points. So 2-point form, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Substitute the values. Y minus 1 divided by y minus y1 is equal to x minus x1. x2 is 1. x2 is minus 1. So cross multiply. Bring this to the right side. 9x plus 13y minus 9 is equal to 0 is the equation of the required straight line. Just make a small correction over here. This is 4x and not 9x. So here also you will get 4x. Now minus 13y is equal to 4x minus 9. So the equation will be 4x plus 13y minus 9 is equal to 0. So 4x plus 13y minus 9 is equal to 0 is the equation of the required straight line. Thanks for watching.